Hi everybody, welcome back to Want to Step. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'll be guiding you on how you can add height on Tinder. So to get started, go ahead and open up Tinder application. Now the user interface will look somewhat like this. So what you're gonna do is simply go ahead and tap on profile icon which is appear on the bottom right corner. Now go ahead and tap on that pencil icon near your profile picture. Now if you scroll all the way down, you can see many different options. Among them is the height option. So simply go ahead and tap on add height. Now you can just go ahead and select your height in centimeter, and if you also want to add in feet, you can go ahead and choose feet in option and select the height. Once it's done, you can go ahead and tap on done and save the changes. Now once you save the changes, your height will be visible on your public profile on Tinder. So that's all guys. If you found the video to be helpful and informative, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.